Section 5.8, Buoyancy in a gas. So Archimedes' principle applies to air the same way that it does to water. Any object that is less dense than air will float away. Helium is a much less dense gas than air, and so when balloons are filled with helium, they float in the air. If you let go of them, they continue to float, and they'll float all the way up to a point where their density is equal to the density of the air, and then they'll stop floating. They'll just sit there. This is why we always use lighter materials in flotation devices, because it requires them to be less buoyant for them to float. This is also why things like life preservers and other things that you use to float take up a lot of space. The more space they take up, the more fluid that's displaced, the more buoyant they are.